Hey, it's Dave with FlipperForce, and this is a quick video about our exciting new features we just launched in our Repair Estimator tool. Right now, we are looking at the new Estimator Setup page, which allows you to select an estimate template that you can use for creating your estimate. Now, we've added in 3 new estimate starter templates that you can use to help you get started estimating costs. We have a new construction template, a rehab by category template, and a rehab by room template. Now, the new construction template can be used if you're going to be building new homes or have new construction projects. Our rehab template by category can be used if you're wanting to estimate your rehab projects by trade or category, such as drywall, plumbing, or electrical. And our new rehab template by room allows you to estimate costs by rooms, such as your kitchen, your bathrooms, your bedrooms, and living rooms. If you have any additional ideas for other starter templates, just please let us know and we'll add those to the system. Once you've selected the starter template that you want to use, click Get Started, which will navigate you over to the Repair Estimator tool. Now that the estimator is loaded, the starter template that we're going to use, you can see it is pre-built with a list of categories which are organized by exteriors, interiors, MEP, and other. If you click on the plus sign in each category, it will expand and show all of the detailed repair items and unit prices we have included for that category. Then you can simply input your quantities, which will be used to calculate a budget for those items. Now, we've added in some new functionality that allows you to completely customize the estimator and save those estimates as a template that can be used for future projects. All of the repair categories can be dragged, dropped, and moved to wherever you want the categories to go. You can also edit the category names and delete categories altogether if you don't need certain categories in your estimate. Once you've made the customizations, you can save the estimate as a template that can be used for future projects. You can save as many estimate templates as you need in your account. So if you want to create a cosmetic rehab template, a gut rehab template, or a pop-top template, you can save those to your account for future use. So we hope you love our new estimator functionality. We think these new features will really provide a more customizable estimating solution that can help you estimate costs quicker and more accurately for your projects. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please let us know. Thanks.